There we go, crank it up. Woo! He's throwing the spark. Little update, guys, for you on the flap disc revival video. Do you guys have a whole bunch of these that have a lot of material left on them but just don't cut very well? I tested a whole bunch of myths to try to rejuvenate your flap disc. Now let me show you, I've really perfected the technique to get rid of the glaze and make it cut like new. And it's gonna wipe off all of that fabric that's covering the good media. So here's a before. Everybody's experienced it. A flap disc starts off cutting really good and then it slowly starts to fall off and the performance goes downhill very quickly. Now that really stems from not pushing very hard. This disc still cuts, but just not very fast. I want it cutting like new. I'm gonna turn the grinder on, spinning it up and kind of pumping the throttle, and I'm gonna hit it with a flame and it's gonna burn nice and even. And then when I think I get it hot enough, I'm gonna come over here on this corner, I'm gonna hit it on the tubing. Did you see all that come off there? Look at that. That was the trick, hitting it on the corner when it's nice and hot. Still see some fabric there, but man, look how much more of the disc we exposed. I bet you she cuts real fast now, baby. Okay, here we go. Dude, so much faster. You guys gotta try this trick. Just call it the Fireball Flame Revival Your Disc trick. Get that sucker nice and hot, hit it on the corner, scrape all that off there. And you can see what we've done. All of those little pieces of flap that were covering the media, we've completely burnt them off and then chipped them off. Wear your eye protection because those suckers go flying everywhere. Okay, let's do it one more time. So as you can see, this disc kind of glazed over. We got a lot of fabric in the way. Let's get her cutting like new. Okay, here's a before with the glazed. Here's the trick again, we're gonna flame it, we're gonna get it pretty hot, and then we're gonna hit it on the corner, knock all that stuff off. Okay? Oh man, look how sharp that is now. Okay, now let's test it. Much faster. That's the new technique. You guys gotta try it out. You guys will love it.